Hey guys, it's me, Christina Marie. I'm just going to do a lipstick demo, show you guys a color real quick. This is called Pure Natural by Palladio. There we go, Palladio. You get this at Sally's Beauty Supply store. I used to do these videos all the time. Try to make it under 2 minutes, really quick. Show you the color. So I have just a very light amount of foundation on. And Palladio lip glosses are typically very like hydrating. And this looks really pretty. So what do you guys think? You like the color? Actually, you know what? The lip glosses are normally, I get more like glitter or opaque, but this one just kind of reached out to me. What do you guys think? Wow, that's a pretty color, isn't it? Okay guys, so this has quite a bit of pigmentation for being a lip gloss. Look at that. And I do like the gloss. I think it makes your lips look a little bit more young. You guys like the color? Once again, this is by Palladio. It's a lip gloss. This is in the color Pure Natural PGL15. If you guys want to see more videos like this, let me know down in the comments below. I'm Christina Marie. I'm out. Bye.